What are you doing, baby?
Oh, you're fucking recording. Oh, it hurts.
You're doing fine, babe.
No, fuck you. No, it's gonna be like the roller coaster all over. I'm gonna break up with you while this is happening.
Okay. She dumped me on a roller coaster.
I hate roller coasters. I fucking hate that shit.
You guys get back together after?
Yeah. Because it was the first time I took her on California Streaming.
I hate
The
roller
big one at
coasters.
Disneyland.
You broke up with her on a roller coaster?
Yeah, 'cause it was the first time she's ever.
Fucking over! Yeah, I was like, fuck you, it's fucking over, I'm done. We're freaking breaking up. And she was like, wait, really? I'm like, yes!
Okay, well here's the loop, bitch.
Yeah, and then the loop came, and I was like, oh, fuck. You're like, you want to break up with me now? Okay, I will hold your hand. We are holding hands anyway.
Freaking Kira, did you get your tattoo already? I didn't think that you would.
Yep.
I just checked your timeline. Like, oh, your friend is
There it
there.
is.
Look it out.
For what?
Why? So I can put it, because I'm putting all of these things on an album. Oh my god.
You're doing fine, babe.
Taking it like a champ.
You're like a boss. Fuck you guys. Just fuck you. You know.